Welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going to make is lime achar, and this is an instant method of making achar. Probably it takes only 35 to 40 minutes, but however there's a little technique too while making achar. And this would be like marinating the lime for 24 hours, keeping it overnight and all. But we have not done this at this point of time, but we have just gone ahead and to make this achar immediately. So in this video we'll show you how to make achar and how quickly it can be done. So let's see how is it done. Come on. To make a instant pickle, the base ingredients is lime, and we have got a few lime over here which we need to chop it up. Over here we chop a lime into small pieces, so as such. So this can dissolve easily once we steam it. The piece size would depend on how you would like to have your pieces. So if you like it to have it as big, small or medium. So this is the size which we prefer to have it. So that's why we chopped it into small pieces as such. Now we have chopped our lime pieces, and the next we are going to make is the ingredients or the masalas for the lime pickle. Now to make the ingredients for the lime pickle, we first take a saucepan which is dry, place it on the stove. The first is to add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and we wait for it to splutter. Now we are roasting a mustard and it is spluttering. The next is to add half teaspoon of fenugreek over here. Now we roast both the ingredients together. Ingredients are roasted. Next we switch off the stove. So we need to crush it, which will be the next step. We have used a stone pedestal over here to crush our ingredients of mustard and fenugreek. We can also use a mixie too. We prefer the old Stone Age method. So this is what our ingredients of mustard and fenugreek looks like after it's been crushed. The next step is to take a steel vessel. You can also use a ceramic pot to steam the lemon. But now since we didn't have a ceramic pot, we have used a steel vessel. Next we drop in the chopped lemon. Now we add 4 teaspoons of salt onto the lemon. The next step is to add 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar. Now sugar is optional. If you want it a little sweet, then we need to add sugar. Else you can just add salt to the ingredients. The final step is to mix all these ingredients of sugar, salt and lemon together and mix it thoroughly so that it spreads evenly on all the pieces of lemon. In fact, keeping this lemon, salt and sugar, actually it has to be kept overnight. So this will stick onto the lemon. But since we are making it instantly, we are not keeping it overnight. But we'll start steaming the lemon immediately. The next ingredient is to add garlic. We have taken 1 whole garlic, one full garlic as such. And we have skinned it out and small pods. So this is 1 whole garlic that we have added over here. The next step is half inch ginger that we have chopped finely, and we add it along with the rest of the ingredients. Now we add the ground mustard and fenugreek that we have done right now. Next is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Next, for the spiciness, we add chili powder, which is 3 teaspoons of chili powder. This is the ordinary chili powder that we have added. The next is to add 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. It's a bright red color chili powder. Now we added the 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Next is to add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Next is to pour 2 teaspoons of vinegar. In fact, the lime is already a little sour, so adding vinegar will add a little more of a tangy taste. So that's why we have added vinegar over here. Next is to add the final ingredient is gingerly oil. We'll be adding 4 teaspoons of gingerly oil. We have added 4 teaspoons of gingerly oil. Next, we need to mix all these ingredients together. The next step is to steam these ingredients for 30 to 45 minutes in a steamer, and this will soften the lemon skin. Now we have taken a steamer over here and we have filled the water along with a plate inside it. Next, we place the stainless steel vessel into the steamer. Usually people use a ceramic bowl, but we have used a steel vessel. Now we place the marinated lime into the steamer and we cover it. Next, we close the steamer and we fire up a stove. Now we light a stove and let the water boil and the lemon cook. Now the water is boiled. Next, we reduce the flame into a low flame. Now we continue to steam the lemon for another 45 minutes. Now it's more than an hour since we kept our lime for steaming. Now we switch it off. Switch the stove off. Let's check whether our lime is steamed as well as the skin is soft. So this is our lime pickle and it has been steaming for the last 1 hour. Tasting a lemon pickle, we see it is a bit sour because of the lime. So now we added a little 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar just to soften the sourness that has come out. Also, we will be adding some salt too. We are adding 1 teaspoon of salt extra. So, and this we mix it together just to ensure that the taste, the sour taste of the lime melts away. So ideally this salt as well as the sugar should be used based on how your lemon pickle comes out after steaming. So that would be a little tip. Even now the skin is a bit hard, but if we had marinated this overnight, the skin would have been soft and the steaming process also would have been faster. So initially we had kept it for 45 minutes, then we saw that the skin was hard and toughened, so we had to keep it for 1 hour or so. So ideally marinate it for over a night and then you will have your instant pickle ready to be served. So let's enjoy it with rice or with chapatis, and this is a very good combination. We hope you liked watching our video and we request you to like, share and comment on them if you found our video really useful as well as informative. Also, if you found this method of making this instant achar really useful and you have tried it at home, please tell us about it and we'll be happy to hear, as well as it will be really encouragement for us too. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.